We cannot emphasize enough the extent to which the whole ESG trend, that is environmental social governance, criteria coming out of the UN Sustainable Development Goals, is the greatest investment trend of our generation. And really it has its roots in Europe, and many equate it and conflate the terms with climate investing, but it's actually a much broader category which includes human rights and gender equality. And the extent to which this is driving a lot of investor behavior and preferences. Just think about the massive transfer of wealth from baby boomers to millennials, and we're looking more and more millennials being investors, more and more women being investors, and therefore preferentially placing capital into ESG-focused funds and/or companies. If we see some of the major indices around the world are working on an ESG index. So in the case of an asset manager, a company, a large corporation, is also a form of risk management to be able to have a stance on ESG and to be able to meet those criteria. And of course, it's also, if we're looking at long-term demand, especially in countries like India and China, China is the world's largest investor in renewable energy. These countries need to grow in terms of renewable capacity. So the World Bank has estimated that there's trillions of dollars worth of opportunities in the next 15 years for climate investing, the bulk of that being in China and developing Asia. And so this is something which, obviously I'm sitting in an energy exporting country, many are focused on, and I think we cannot emphasize the importance of that enough.